Yo guys, welcome back to a new video here on the channel. Today we're going to discuss the Bitcoin price and the current retest that we are getting of the symmetrical triangle and maybe even a re-entry of the symmetrical triangle. As well guys, we will be discussing the important 37.5k level for Bitcoin and the EMA ribbon, what they are currently telling us. As well guys, we will be going into the price section of Ethereum because yes, we have been discussing Ethereum quite a lot recently, and it is also currently having this perfect retest of this symmetrical triangle right here, and this looks quite solid as an opportunity. As well, we will be going into our W recovery, what can be maybe ending in an ascending triangle right now, and we will be of course discussing the tweet of Elon Musk here, the main reason why Bitcoin is currently going down here. And as well, I will be cooling you guys off here with some on-chain data because the on-chain data is suggesting that the miners are not really selling their Bitcoin right now. And that's, of course, quite a bullish thing here in my opinion. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now. If you also have not ring the bell notification, make sure to do so as well right now. Would be amazing if you can do so because then you're not going to miss out on these updates. So guys, yes, we have been seeing Bitcoin also decreasing a little bit here in valuation, 36.4k right now. We have been going down very quickly, and it's all due of this tweet here. Elon Musk tweeting about Bitcoin right away, pushing down the price. Very important to see because yeah, the market was looking pretty strong here. It was looking good here. We were seeing the breakout, and I mean things were looking bright. But right now, this is quite bearish. Of course, what we are seeing, and hopefully we can still maybe see this last 42 minutes here on this 4-hourly candle push the price a little bit higher here, so we can be still closing above this resistance line here. So yeah, that will be of course very bullish still if we can do so. Are the chances high? No, it's pretty low that we are going to see that of course playing out. But still, yeah, pretty unfortunate what we are right now seeing here. We have also still have been setting lower highs, to be very honest. So yeah, there isn't you can be maybe retrawing this symmetrical triangle, but that's of course not my most favorite scenario, but this is definitely a possibility that you can do so. But yeah, the main reason why we are correcting over here is because the tweet of Elon Musk here. There's absolutely nothing, not a big level of resistance. Of course, you can be looking at this level of resistance, but still, it's pretty unfortunate that we are seeing this right here, and maybe we have to be reevaluating once again here, but still, I will be in the longer picture still bullish because, yeah, the on-chain data is still suggesting bullish things here. So, yeah, it's pretty unfortunate what Bitcoin currently is doing here. Maybe we are, reforming a new symmetrical triangle on another bigger scheme here. So, yeah, the potential breakout can be taking a little bit longer if we're going to, of course, restructure this symmetrical triangle. But in general as well, guys, here, I mean, we've been talking about the EMA ribbon quite a lot here. And finally, since we were yesterday or 2 days ago, we're breaking above it. We were saying this is looking pretty strong here. Also, the trend was definitely going towards the upside. And still right now, I mean, guys, we are still setting higher lows. And I mean, yeah, even though that we're correcting so significantly, yeah, it's still looking good here. I would like to see the market, of course, cooling off for a second once again here. The FUD is real. The fear is once again here in the market. You can still see that there is so much fear in the market, and you can still see that Elon Musk has so much influence on the market. What I, of course, don't like to see here, because why should you even listen to him anymore? I don't get it, but still, yeah, market has a lot of influence by it. But yeah, it really depends on how this 4-hourly candle will close here. Because yes, guys, on time of recording, we still have 40 minutes before closing this 4-hourly candle. I will be uploading the video as soon as possible here, guys. But the chances of course, creating a big wick on the lower side are not that big here. But of course, if we're going to do so, I want to be seeing the close above the 37.4k here. That's above the EMA ribbon. And you can see there's right now a lot of fighting going around on these levels. But yeah, guys, in general, if we're going to close below it, we really have to be breaking above the EMA ribbon once again. We also have to be breaking above the 37.5k horizontal level once again here. So yeah, that's quite bearish and quite unfortunate to see as well here. But these are, of course, currently the facts here. So, yeah, daily EMA is still quite far away from us. But this is, of course, pretty unfortunate to see. And also on the daily MACD, on the 4-hourly MACD, if you can see over here, we are seeing currently a bearish crossover getting created here. So this can be also potentially pushed down the prices also a little bit further. So, yeah, we were setting a higher low. We were setting a lower low and as well lower high. So yeah, the trend on the MACD is currently still towards the downside. Let's see what we're going to do. Probably we're going to see another leg down getting created from here, in my opinion. But of course, if Elon Musk was not tweeting anything about it, it was probably not happening with Bitcoin right here. So yeah, it's pretty unfortunate to see here. And maybe we still have some good hopes for Ethereum, because Ethereum can be maybe leading the way here. Hopefully Ethereum can be, of course, approaching the symmetrical triangle very beautifully right now. And, of course, maybe go for a retest on this supportive line over here. Because, yes, guys, previous resistance, critical level of resistance, was flipping into support already over here, and we are currently having another retest of it, so this can be potentially a very good target to find some support on. And of course, if we can't find support on this level, it will be probably the level below here, because the level below here, of course, guys, will be, of course, the lower side of a potential ascending triangle here, because yes, I've been looking at a potential ascending triangle right now playing out here. First, we were, of course, discussing a W recovery, but we always were keeping in mind that we can also potentially form an ascending triangle. So ascending triangle is right now in the making for the price section of Ethereum, and this ascending triangle can be, of course, also still give you the exact same price target as a W recovery, but only the chances of also breaking down here are a little bit higher, because yeah, W is a clear reversal structure. Ascending triangle tends to as well be in continuation pattern, and these can still break towards the downside. So that is pretty unfortunate to see here, and hopefully we can still see a breakout for this ascending triangle towards the upside. But this is, of course, a thing that we have to be discussing along the way here, and later today I will still be live here, guys, so that's of course a thing that we can be reevaluating on if we're seeing some more information in chart developing. So as well, guys, you can be right now signing up here with the Bybit link in the description here. I'm currently also building up a long trade position here. Currently, it's still in the green here. Still trying to build up a bigger and bigger position. Of course, once seeing something important in the chart here, we will be definitely keeping you guys up to date here. But you can go to the description and, of course, sign up over there. But, guys, definitely, I was telling you guys yesterday, we will be opening a long trade once we're seeing a breakout of the W structure. You can see over here, perfect rejection, of course, since then went lower. I think, yeah, if Elon was not tweeting, of course, we were probably going to go for a breakout already today, but it's pretty unfortunate to see so. But yeah, that's the reason why you don't open your trades if we're not seeing a confirmation. So that is also why I wait for 4-hourly close, and on the retest, I will be only opening. So yeah, right now we have to stay on the sidelines for our Ethereum trade for a second here. But yeah, definitely better days will be coming towards us, guys. I mean, the opportunities will be coming towards us as well here. We just have to be standing still for a second here. But yeah, of course, to discuss the main reason why we're, of course, falling off here is that Elon Musk was tweeting about this post here. And basically what he is saying with this post here is that he found a different coin that's better than Bitcoin. Yeah, it's just so unfortunate to see, and also with the heartbreaking. Why are you tweeting this? He has so much influence on the market. I mean, a lot of people in the cryptocurrency space hate Elon Musk right now, and I don't like him as well anymore because, yeah, things were looking bright, things were looking strong. We were, seriously, of course, going in an uptrend for Bitcoin, and it was looking particularly good here. And yeah, right now Elon Musk is once again ruining the party. So yeah, it's pretty unfortunate, and I do get why a lot of people don't like him right now. So yeah, that's pretty unfortunate to see here. But guys, as well, if we're looking to the on-chain data, you can see over here the Bitcoin, all miners to exchanges flow here. So this, of course, the flow that the miners are sending their Bitcoin towards the exchanges. And you can see right now in the past weeks here, these miners are not really looking to sell over here. The miners are not really sending their Bitcoins towards exchanges, and this is a very good thing to see here, because miners can be having a lot of influence if they're going to drop the prices. Like we know here in January, the drop-off because of the miners, of course, over here happened. So yeah, that's very exciting to see here. Right now, they're really looking to accumulate, and there were some other charts as well here. And these charts were suggesting as well that there is more and more accumulation going around for the miners. And this is also the confirmation on this chart as well here. They are sending less and less Bitcoin towards exchanges. So yeah, the miners they're accumulating more Bitcoin. So yeah, you can decide what you're going to do here, but if the smart money, if the miners, the smart people will be not selling but accumulating Bitcoin, I definitely think that you have to be on their side as well here. So that is also making me feel very exciting. And still, guys, I will be asking you the question, are there any fundamental changes for Bitcoin since we were, of course, sitting on 60k towards where we are right now? No, there has not changed anything. So will you be buying Bitcoin around 60k? Yes, you probably will, because yeah, that is of course how emotions work in the cryptocurrency space here. You can be still buying your Bitcoin, but only for an approximate 50% sale here. I mean, I should definitely not hesitate for this one. This is a great opportunity that you're right now getting here. Smart money is still accumulating. At least I am as well still accumulating. This drop-off happened due of the tweet of Elon Musk here. We will be, of course, reversing towards the upside anytime soon here. Once again here, it won't be taking long here. It's only unfortunate that we, of course, re-entering these symmetrical triangles, but we will be looking for a bounce anytime soon here. Please, guys, make sure to just dollar cost average into the market. Best strategy that there is, of course. And of course, we have to be waiting for the next confirmation to see a real clear direction for Bitcoin. Guys, thank you so much for watching here. I will be building up a bigger and bigger position on my Bybit trade here, like I already told you guys. And as well, guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because later today we will be back with another live stream, and then we will be discussing the market in a lot of depth here. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Goodbye.